I know I'm late to this, but I'm gonna follow her entire makeup routine. It has like 11 million views. But I'm pretty excited because her base looks absolutely flawless. She starts off with moisturizing, which I already did, and then she goes in with an oil. I have this tiny sample from Drunk Elephant. This is the Virgin Marula Luxury Face Oil. I'm sorry, I can't read. You might just have to Google it. I'm gonna pat that all over my face like she did. She uses a lot of the e.l.f. Putty Primer. Honestly, everything feels really nice right now. She uses a cream highlighter all over her face. I'm gonna use this liquid one by Fenty. It's in the shade Hustler Baby 2.0. I'm gonna put a lot because her face was glowing. Okay, I'm gonna just blend it in with a brush. Dude, she was even more glowier than this, so I'm gonna use this Freck Slime Light highlighter in the shade Beam Machine. This one's like a little holographic. I don't know if this is what she was going for. I feel like I'm not glowy enough. I'm telling you, I'm following everything she does. I'm gonna color correct with this Peaches
concealer.
Highlighter. I don't even think this is the right shade. It's in the shade Peach. Please just ignore it because honestly, this is not a good shade. It's really not bad, but it's honestly not good either. I don't have either of the foundations that she used, so I'm gonna use my NYX one. She blends everything out with a sponge and then goes in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, which I have in the shade Light Beige. Then she uses a concealer for contour. I'm using the Lancome Tawny Doll Ultra Wear, and she does it in all these places. I also don't have the blush that she has, so I'm gonna use the M Cosmetics Venetian Rose. She puts them on these places, and that's like familiar to me. Now she blends out the darker places first. I usually like to go one by one, so this is very unnatural to me. I literally just look like I have a mustache from that lip contour. I'll never do that again. Then she takes loose powder on a brush and doesn't really have a lot on it at all. I'm using the Huda one. She just sets all over very lightly. Okay, now I'm just bronzing my face up. I'm using the Kosas Water Bronzer, I think, in the shade Medium. Then I'm using ColourPop Valentine's Day Blush in the shade Kiss and Tell. Then she drenches her face in a hydrating mist. So I'm gonna use the Milk one. She wants you to be dripping. I'm gonna dry my face to speed up the process. Linked in my bio. Once you're all dry, she takes powder and she taps the excess off and then really goes back in. I'm just doing... Wow. I only did one side to show you what it looks like, but I think I look absolutely flawless. Okay, I'm doing the other side now. I usually don't use a sponge, but this technique is kind of everything. Okay, then she usually highlights. I use the Makeup Revolution Makeup Impact. I think you need to try this because I look so fucking good. I look like I have a filter on my face. That's crazy. You did that, bitch. I love you so much.